And now, forecast first on KOLR 10 News, Ozarks First.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. A strong cold front moved through yesterday evening, left wind damage behind. It's now well to our east. That rain is entering towards Kentucky and Tennessee here this morning. We've just got some clouds lingering behind. We'll see those clouds decrease as we head through the day today. Once the front gets east and dry air moves in, we'll start to clear out the skies as we get towards the end of the day. Now, I want to take a look back at what the radar looked like yesterday. We've seen video of the damage in Willard, and the National Weather Service is out there this morning to survey whether it was straight line winds or a tornado. We do have a signature on the radar from that time yesterday signifying it could be a tornado. The green represents winds coming towards the radar. The red is winds coming away from the radar. So with the winds in the two different directions, that's where we could see that spin. So it's possible that that could have been a tornado, and that's what they're going to do today, is to check that out to see what it was. We've had storm reports from across the Ozarks within the last 24 hours. Of course, we had that wind damage out in Willard. Took down some power lines. There was also a dumpster blown over in Springfield as that front came through. It had some very gusty winds with it. A funnel was also spotted in Pineville, extreme southwest Missouri. As far as rain goes, we've had a widespread, about a half an inch of rain. Anyone who had some of those stronger storms, that's where the rainfall totals were a little bit heavier. Of course, it doesn't really help us too much with the drought conditions that we're seeing right now. Now we're in phase 2 of the cold front, the Arctic Plunge. Look at these temperatures in the 30s across parts of Missouri. We've got teens and 20s back towards Kansas and Nebraska here this morning. We've got 60s and 70s ahead of the front, surging from the south through parts of Mississippi and Alabama. It's an incredibly strong front here that's pulling in this Arctic air mass. It's 40 degrees colder than it was this time yesterday in parts of Kansas, but we still have this warmth making it all the way up the east coast here this morning. So locally, we've got these temperatures in the 30s, at 31 degrees in Springfield, a good 25 to 35 degrees colder than yesterday. Bottom line, you want the gloves and the scarves out there this morning. Even as we clear out the skies and bring out more sunshine, we'll still only get to 46 degrees out there today. 48 is that normal, so it's going to be very chilly. We'll have clouds earlier on. We'll clear out the skies as we head through the afternoon. Some more sunshine, but we're going to keep the temperatures chilly as this cold air mass makes itself at home as we head through the day today. It's going to be a dry air mass, and it's going to have a bit of a gusty wind with it too. So we do have an elevated fire risk today. It does not need to be warm for there to be a fire danger. It just needs to be dry and windy, and we'll have both of those things today. Huge trough in the jet stream is going to stay as we head through the week, which is going to keep cold waves moving in and out as we head through the week. And even with temperatures being chilly, we'll have a reinforcing shot of cold air, making them even colder. So we'll have these waves as we get through the week, and it's going to feel like winter. 40s Tuesday and Wednesday. Another reinforcing shot of cold air brings us 30s by Thursday. Friday, we could even see a few flakes, very few, but we could see some flurries. And then Saturday, temperatures will be cold in the 30s. That cold air mass moves east a little bit by Sunday, so that gets us into the 50s. But it's going to be a shock to the system. We spent a week and a half with record highs in the 70s, and now it's going to feel like winter. 46 degrees today, partly cloudy, decreasing the clouds, breezy winds. 28 on the overnight, clearing cold. 47 tomorrow, mostly sunny with chilly sunshine, and it's going to get cold by Thursday. A few flurries possible on Friday. Don't expect to see much of that. 30s on Saturday. 50s with sunshine on Sunday. If you're headed to that parade on Saturday, we'll all be there from KOLR 10, but we'll have to bundle up. It's going to be cold with temperatures in the 30s. We nailed the forecast yesterday, made it to 70 degrees, so Donna Baker gets $25 to Hy-Vee. Go get some hot cocoa. You'll need it this week. 46 is your forecast today.